Hey y'all, it's Miss Butler. I wanted to talk to you real quick about how to create and set up your presentation for the Historical Thinking Skills project. Right here under the Create, once you're in your Google Drive, you'll click this Create button and choose Presentation. After the presentation loads, you will be able to go through and choose which theme that you like best. I'm just going to go with the Biz theme because it's pretty simple for right now. At this point, this is set up completely like your PowerPoint presentations. You can choose different layouts, you can change your theme if you need to, you can go back and you have different fonts, really cool fonts here, and font sizes, font colors. All of this information, all of these are the same as your PowerPoint. Make sure that when you're setting this up, you are creating a slide for each one of your historical thinking skills. If you need help with this or you need an example, you can go back to the sample that I've provided in the historical thinking skills folder from today. Make sure that you also, after you've set everything up, you title your presentation Historical Thinking Skills, and then your last name and your first name. That way it'll be really easy for me to throw this in whatever folder it needs to go. Alright, so you've set everything up, you're going through and you're working on your different causation, your different historical thinking skills. Make sure, this is really important, that you're including your description down here in this box. All right, this description is going to just give me a little bit more information on what you're thinking and how your historical thinking skills are reflected in your own life. So make sure that you have that element, very important. After you've finished your entire presentation and you have it all set up, it's time to share. So right up here, the share button, if you'll notice when I hover over the share button, it's private only to me. You'll click on that, and that's where you can control your share settings. Make sure right here who has access that you are able to share with specific people. When you make sure that this is clicked, share with specific people, you can click save and then come down here and invite me to have access. So you'll type in my email address, Miss Cricket Butler, and if you shared something with me before, it should pop up right there for you to click on. Now this is really important. Make sure over here in this drop down menu that you select that, not that I can edit, but I want to be able to comment. It's going to be through this way that I'm going to give you feedback on your presentation and then also provide your grade. So make sure this can comment is selected. At that point, you can notify me through email. You can also add a message. This is completely optional. So if you want to add a message, maybe you have a question or a comment about your project. And then I always send a copy to myself. I click on this box because this just verifies to me that whoever I shared the folder with or document with or whatever, that it did in fact go through. So that's just a way for me to double check myself. And then you'll click send. And done. At that point, you should be ready to roll, and I am looking forward to reading all about you and how your life is represented through these historical thinking skills. So I hope you have a great weekend. If you have any questions, you can give me an email or try to contact me through Twitter this weekend. You can also talk to some friends and see what they have to say. So, all right, have a good one. See you Monday.